Today we will be discussing some prelims questions on environmental science from our model test 5. Every year UPSC asks about 15 questions from environmental science for your prelims. So environment will be a game changer in your UPSC exams, not only in prelims but also for your mains. In this session I will be briefing some concepts related to each questions and we will solve the questions one by one. If you want to get more details about environmental science, you can refer our materials. It is available to you in our website. So let us discuss the questions. So the first question is a two-statement question. With reference to wetlands, consider the following statements. First statement: mangroves and coastal wetlands annually sequester carbon at a rate 10 times greater than mature tropical forest. And second statement: most coastal blue carbon is stored in the soil, not in above ground plant materials, as with tropical forest. So here they discuss about wetlands and mangroves, right? So the wetlands means a water covered area. For example, river, pond, lake, salt marshes, swampy areas, mangrove forest, right? So the mangrove means a special kind of trees which are growing in the wetland region. For example, here you can see a picture of mangrove tree and it is adaptable to high salinity. Recently, there were some researches ongoing based on the carbon sequestration and productivity of coastal wetlands. That's why we included this question in our MT5. So, what is carbon sequestration? Carbon sequestration is the process of conversion of atmospheric carbon dioxide into biomass or into carbohydrates by green plants or by the phytoplanktons. The conversion of atmospheric carbon dioxide into biomass by the green plants and phytoplanktons is known as carbon sequestration. And naturally it is done by natural components of ecosystem like green plants and phytoplankton. And there are also modern technologies for conversion of atmospheric carbon dioxide into carbon powder. So by the research, they concluded that mangroves and coastal wetlands, they are converting atmospheric carbon dioxide into organic matter or into biomass 10 times greater than a mature tropical forest. So that's where their conclusion. So first statement is correct. So if the first statement is correct, we can eliminate B and D. So you may be knowing the tropical forest, right? Tropical forest is the forest seen in the equator region and they are getting rain throughout the year, around greater than 200 centimeter rainfall they are getting. Okay. So let us discuss the second statement. Most coastal blue carbon is stored in the soil, not in above ground plant material as with tropical forest. So the tropical forest, they are converting atmospheric carbon dioxide into biomass and it will be stored in the top layer because it will buried there. But in the case of coastal wetlands, the carbon will be trapped into the marshy areas, right? So it will be buried into that. So the second statement is also correct. It was also a result of that research. So what do you mean by this blue carbon or coastal blue carbon? A blue carbon means the carbon captured by the world's oceans and coastal ecosystem. Once again, coastal blue carbon means the carbon captured by the world's oceans and coastal ecosystems is known as blue carbon. So the second statement is also correct. So we will get the answer as C.